Hi Nerissa. This is a proper training aircraft at the Angular City Flying Club, and niece Nerissa is getting her first flight lesson in this airplane. So the third flight for Nerissa this time. She did two in an open cockpit, ultralight, and this one is a closed cockpit ultralight, a trainer with the Angular City Flying Club, and about to roll. Here we go. There comes Nerissa after the third flight. How's your first impression?
Good.
Good?
Good.
And the instructor said you did very well.
Yeah.
And you enjoyed yourself flying.
Yeah.
He let you handle the controls, he said. Yeah?
And like guide.
He guided you. Yeah. Did you do what? You did straight and level flight? And then you did some turns? Yeah? Okay.
Turn right,
Turn left, all of that stuff. So you think flying is fun?
Yeah.
It is?
I'm little bit scared when in heights.
You're a little bit scared when you're higher. Yes, yes. But then you'll get used to it. Yeah, every time. This was your first time flying really as handling the controls of the airplane, right? Yeah, that's good. Still want to be a pilot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I want more flight attendant.
You want to do what?
Flight attendant.
Oh, you want to be more of a flight attendant and someone else do the flying?
She also. She
Oh,
will
yeah?
be flight attendant.
All right, let's see. Who's she?
You.
Who is she?
Rian.
Rian. Okay, all right. And so you also, and you're Nerissa's friend. Yeah? Best friends. Okay. Classmates and stuff. Yeah? So, hey, airlines, when these two lovely young ladies grow up, hire them. Yeah, so great. It's a lovely evening to fly. It's nice, cool temperature. How was it up there? Very windy?
Very windy.
Yeah, that's what he said.
My hand very windy.
Oh yeah, yeah. You put your hand out to feel how it was. Yeah, yeah. The instructor was also saying that it was very windy and bumpy up there. Yeah, maybe you should fly.
My hand like.
Yeah, it's just going back. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Well, I'm glad you came here and flew a little bit. Plug my channel again.
Hi, please like this channel and also subscribe it and click the bell.
Okay, that's good. That's
And
good.
also share
On your social media platforms. Yeah, what's the name of my channel?
Life in the Matrix.
Life in the Matrix. And signing off from the Angular City Flying Club this evening, Life in the Matrix. I think this was part 2 of the Flying Club. This time, I hope you watched the previous one, and please make a comment below and encourage this young lady. Make her into a pilot. Ciao for now.